one. It's been a while, I know. I'll explain later as we go along. But here I've got a time lock, which I was given as a present, and it's an amazing piece of kit. Two beautiful precision pieces of timing equipment, which you wind using the key. You wind up to the number of hours you want it to remain closed for. Over at the back you can see it's currently locked. So this one I tested for 4-hour wind, and it's still going now. It should just about run out in the next few minutes, I hope. So you see it's locked, so I'll put it there and hopefully it'll go click at some point in time while I'm making this video. Now really what I want to talk about are these things, knife picks. This one comes from the Lockpicks kit, and this is from Mad Bob's, and this was given to me by one of the Mad Bob teams themselves. A beautiful piece of engineering, and I'm going to show you opening it on a number of locks. So knife picks, I think this one is being sold as a bypass tool, but it works just equally well as a knife pick. And some people prefer knife picks because it gives them a bit more control, a bit more feel of what they're doing. Let's have a go. And the idea is I'm going to see if I can open a few of these locks with these knife picks. Now with this one I've discovered it does depend on which way round I've got the pick, how easy it is actually to pick. I'll start again. There we go. So that one was quite good for opening out. Let's have another go with the Mad Bob's pick. Now with the Mad Bob's pick, again it's to do with the getting the angle right. Notice that it doesn't, you need to be a little bit more firm of touch than you do with the Lockpicks one. If I actually, too much tension there possibly. Now, I'll start again. There we go. So, not quite as easy as this one because I think the angle of attack on this one is a bit greater. Like I said, I think it's designed as a bypass tool. But, okay, so does it work on other locks? Yes, it does. Let's bring this in here. Here we have a 5-pin key in the knob thing, which I got from Homebase recently when it was in its strange Bunnings configuration. Bunnings is an Australian store, and this actually comes from, the key and knob system came from New South Wales. Not really a lock that you see an awful lot of format in the UK, so they were selling these off quite cheap, so I got a key in the whole assembly for about £5. Drop this out of it and have a go. So let's give that a go. Again, using the bottom of the keyway tension. You see the angle you need to be is a little bit more extreme. And there we go. That was quite an easy open on that one. And this actually does lead me to explain why I've not really been making videos recently. I recently suffered a massive eczema breakout on my hands, and it's a lot better than it was, but to say it wasn't pretty is an understatement. So I really didn't fancy inflicting my ugly hands on anyone. So let's give it another go with a different type of lock again. Let's see. With these, I'm discovering for the wider keyways, if you double up your turning tools, you can often get a really good fit. So, get a slightly good fit there. Yeah, okay, that's better. And that's actually really quite useful. So let's give this one a go again and get the lighting better. Totally have to practice doing this. Videos, this is not lighting. Now, because of the extreme angles you've got to use sometimes, I can't see it being a very viable method in anything other than a lock sport setup, but I'm hoping someone will prove me wrong or tell me wrong. Voila, so that's another one we've opened. Final one, give it a go with, is like an old coat from the United States. It's a while back I won on eBay £7 worth of £7 in weight worth of locks from the United States of all sorts of stuff. So this is it, because I do quite like the American locks. Certainly they've got wider keyways, which again, these knives do actually like doing. Time lock still going strong. It's definitely proving a little trickier than the others. Start again, turn the knife around. If in doubt, turn it the other way. Now the question is, why am I using this one over, say, the Mad Bobs? Well, the Mad Bobs, to be honest, because it's such a special one, I keep really well polished, and I don't like using it that much because of the fact it's quite, well, it's quite a rare pick, and really don't want to see it damaged. So, my word, this is giving me some trouble. Keep helping, I keep picking off the warding, which doesn't really help. Okay, let's go back to the start. Let's have another go. Ooh. Definitely going to be an ugly pick. No finesse at all, really. One last time. So. Sounding a little bit more positive. It feels like I'm actually starting to set stuff now. Yep, there we go. So yeah, a bit scrappy at the end, but you get the general idea that having one of these, and it's great fun. Yeah, I imagine they're not going to be too hard to make. For instance, you know, if we take a tension tool like this, and think about what we've actually got to make it. We're just going to sort of like chop it down a bit really, and off we go. So yeah, should I have one in my kit all the time? Well, yeah, it's a bit of fun, so I quite like them. So yeah, I'll always keep them around. Don't use them very often, but when I do, it's always a great experience, and it does feel a little bit more raw. So thanks everyone. Annoyingly, that's still going. Let's have a see, shall we? Click, there we go, it just opened. Wasn't that exciting? That was completely unplanned, but there we go. So thanks very much guys, take care and goodbye.